Hello, creatives. Miss Niki here from Studio CIA. And today I'm going to walk you through drawing an adorable little elephant who's blowing bubbles with its trunk. We're going to start with our ear. I recommend starting in pencil. I've already done my pencil drawing, so I'm going to outline so you guys can really see the details. We're going to add a little curve of the ear there, and then the folds. Kind of looks like a sideways heart. We'll do a rainbow shape over the top to make the beginning of the head. Then we'll add our trunk, just like a slide. We curve out and down. At the end, we're going to add an oval shape for the opening. And then a curve back. We're going to give him an arm over here, kind of just reaching behind himself. And little toe beans. And then a big belly. Then we can add that other arm coming from the opposite side of his body and his legs. This one's kind of behind that one, so we're not seeing it all. I usually do a curve there to finish it off because it's really on the other side, so we're not seeing where it's connected. Give our elephant a pretty eye, any style that you like. I like to give it some eyelashes, maybe even an eyebrow. And I like to give it a little cheek, but you can leave that off. And then all we have left to add are our bubbles. Just some circles kind of floating in different sizes above its trunk. And then I take my smaller pen and I add a little reflective spot in each of my bubbles to show them blowing in the air and showing that they are transparent. I hope you enjoyed that elephant. Be sure to tag us in any posts that you make of your artwork from this video and hit that like or subscribe button so we can create more for you. Thanks for joining us.